User instructions. Product overview. Add water to ice maker. Open the ice basket panel. Pull out the water tank. Then open the water tank fill cover and add drinking water. After filling the water, close the water tank filling cover. Push back the water tank and close the ice basket panel. Operation instructions. Starting up. As soon as the power is plugged in, the 4 buttons on the display will light up. Press the power button to enter the ice making process. During ice making, flashing digits and the symbol M appear, indicating the remaining time for the process to complete. Adjust the ice thickness. Press and hold the light bulb button for more than 5 seconds to enter the ice thickness adjustment mode. The symbol D flashes on the display, and the digits are displayed steadily. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust. Time settings. Press and hold the minus button on the control panel for more than 5 seconds. The screen will display the timer value 1 and the clock symbol. Press plus and minus buttons on the control panel to adjust time. When the unit is running, it can set up the timing for shutdown. When the unit is in standby mode, you can set the unit with on timer. Automatic self-cleaning program. Fill the water tank with water, plug in the machine, and press and hold the plus button on the control panel for more than 5 seconds to start the self-cleaning function. The automatic self-cleaning program has a default cleaning time of 20 minutes. You can press the power button to cancel the program. Machine drainage. Pull out the drain plug located at the bottom of the machine to empty the water inside the inner tank. After draining, return the drain plug to its original position.